In Austin, the issue of homelessness has become more visible, with encampments appearing in various parts of the city. While the city continues to work toward long-term solutions, one critical aspect of managing these encampments is the cleanup of accumulated waste. Professional junk removal services play a pivotal role in addressing this issue, not only by cleaning up these areas but also ensuring the health and safety of everyone involved. Here's why these services are essential for Austin's homeless encampment cleanups. Ensuring public health and safety. Homeless encampments often accumulate a variety of materials that pose serious health and safety risks. These can include food waste, discarded needles, old mattresses, broken furniture, and other hazardous items. Many of these materials can lead to the spread of disease, attract pests, or even cause injuries. When these items are left unattended, they can create unsanitary conditions that are harmful to both the homeless individuals living in the encampments and the surrounding community. Professional junk removal services have the necessary equipment and expertise to safely remove and dispose of these materials in a way that mitigates health risks. They are trained to handle dangerous items such as syringes or biohazardous waste, ensuring that the cleanup process doesn't inadvertently create additional hazards. With specialized tools, these professionals can also ensure that hazardous waste is disposed of in compliance with local environmental regulations, which is vital for protecting public health. Supporting homeless individuals in transition while cleaning up encampments is necessary for public health and safety. It's equally important to approach the issue with compassion. Many of the people living in these encampments are experiencing extreme vulnerability, and their belongings, however disorganized, may be all they have. A professional junk removal service can approach these cleanups with empathy, taking care to sort through items that might be of value to the homeless individuals before disposing of anything. This thoughtful process helps to ensure that important personal items like identification, clothing, or other essential belongings aren't mistakenly thrown away, allowing individuals to retain what matters most. Professional services can also coordinate with local shelters and nonprofits to recycle usable goods, providing a pathway for these individuals to access community resources. This collaborative approach makes the cleanup process more humane and supportive of the homeless community's needs. Fast and efficient cleanups. One of the biggest challenges of homeless encampment cleanups is the sheer volume of waste that accumulates over time. These areas are often neglected for months, and the debris can grow into a massive problem. Professional junk removal services are equipped to handle large-scale cleanups quickly and efficiently, which is essential in a city like Austin, where space is limited and public health concerns can escalate rapidly. These companies have the personnel, vehicles, and tools to tackle the task efficiently, ensuring that encampments are cleared in a timely manner. In many cases, cleanup teams can work in collaboration with local authorities and outreach programs, providing a comprehensive solution that balances the needs of the homeless with the requirements of maintaining a clean and safe environment for the broader community. Reducing environmental impact. Austin is known for its commitment to sustainability, and this extends to how the city handles waste. Professional junk removal services are key players in reducing the environmental impact of homeless encampments. These companies often partner with recycling programs to ensure that materials like metal, glass, and plastic are reused or repurposed, rather than ending up in a landfill. By using environmentally responsible methods, professional junk removal services help Austin move toward its sustainability goals. This approach aligns with the city's broader commitment to reducing waste and promoting a greener future for all its residents. Providing a sense of order and dignity. Finally, professional junk removal services help bring a sense of order and dignity to encampment cleanups. Homeless individuals living in encampments are often marginalized and face numerous struggles, from lack of access to healthcare to economic instability. A well-executed cleanup can offer a sense of closure or hope for these individuals, showing that the community cares and is working toward their well-being. When encampments are cleared, it also offers a fresh start for those living there. For some, it may even provide an opportunity to connect with social services, seek shelter, or begin the process of transition toward more stable living conditions. Conclusion. Professional junk removal services are more than just a logistical necessity for Austin's homeless encampment cleanups. They are a critical part of a compassionate, efficient, and sustainable approach to managing this complex issue. By ensuring the safety and health of both homeless individuals and the surrounding community, supporting the dignity of those living in encampments, and contributing to the city's environmental goals, these services help create a cleaner, safer, and more compassionate Austin for everyone.